5 things I wish I knew before starting estrogen. Unang-una sa lahat, I do not recommend self-medication or DIY. Delikado yan, hormones are so powerful and could be dangerous if not properly prescribed or monitored. If you guys need assistance, loveyourself.ph has free services like HRT consultation para nga sa ating mga trans people. Anyway, number 1, hormones are not magic, meaning they will need some time and your participation for them to work. Lalo na in my case, when I transitioned, I was already 24 and people were saying it was too late for me. Pero buti na lang, ang swerte ko kasi meron pa rin akong nakita at naramdaman na changes in time. I would also like to insert here sa point na to now we should be more realistic when it comes to our expectations because once again, hormones are not magic. Iba-iba ang katawan ng tao when it comes to timeline ng changes, absorption rates. So it's best to be patient and be kind to your body as it goes through these changes na hindi madali. Number 2, make sure to take lots and lots of photos before transitioning. Kasi yung itsura mo noon ay hindi mo talaga dapat ikahiya. In fact, yan pa talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng boost when you get to compare your future self doon nga sa dating itsura mo. Once again, sinuwerte na naman ako for this point because I was a vlogger before starting everything. So I already have a lot of videos of myself documented online. And I just love watching those because I got to see my progress and I got to say that I'm on the right track, baby. I was born this way. Number 3, be prepared to lose a lot of muscles. At ako as a Borta girl in the past, kapansin-pansin talaga kung paano hindi na naging bulky yung mga muscles ko, especially on my arms. This is because testosterone or the male hormones promote and protect muscle growth. And since I'm replacing that with estrogen, normal lang na mas maging subtle or hindi na ganun kalaki, ganun kaumpok yung mga muscles na meron nga ako. Actually, natunaw sila to the point na parang hindi na sila muscles, para na lang taba kasi malambot at saka hindi na ako kasing lakas sa larangan nga ng buhatan. Number 4, dating could be unexpected or a completely new territory para sa'yo. Naalala ko noon when I decided to transition, I also accepted na baka I'll be single for the rest of my life na. Kasi baka no one would be able to understand me, pero okay lang as long as I can understand myself, ganon. Yung iba naman sinasadya nilang babaan or mag-adjust sa mga standards nila, thinking hindi na nila deserve yung best just because they're trans. But baby, you should never ever do that. In fact, mas dapat na kailangan mong taasan yung standards mo because transitioning is never easy. It's an act of providing a lot of love towards yourself at yung taong pipiliin mo, dapat kaya niyang pantayan or higitan pa yung pagmamahal na yan. Babe, I promise you, meron at meron kang mahahanap na pasok sa banga. Promise, marami dyan, kahit anong lahi pa yan, ay willing at gustong mahalin ng mga katulad natin. And lastly, speaking of